Okay, before we start looking at recurring decimals, let's just consider normal decimals to fractions. Before we start, we need to remember what the decimals represent. So obviously if you have 0.1, that is 1/10. 0.12, well that is 12 1/100ths. 0.123, that is 123 1,000ths. And so on. So looking at the first question, converting that to a fraction, well, we are dealing with tenths here, and we've got one of them. So that is 1/10. That can't be simplified. That's our fraction. So this one here, we are now dealing with hundreds. First one is the tenths, second one is the hundredths. So we know it's out of 100, and that is 35 100ths. We can simplify this. 35 and 100 are both divisible by 5. So 5 goes into 35 7 times, and 5 goes into 100 20 times. This one here, tenths, hundreds, thousandths. So we know it's over 1,000, and that is 2 over 1,000. That can be simplified. They're both even, so half them both. And finally, tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000ths. So we're over 10,000. 101 over 10,000, that can't be simplified, and that's the fraction. Let's now move on to converting recurring decimals to fractions. So we're going to finish with looking at how we turn a recurring decimal into a fraction. So looking at this question here, how does 0.73 equal 73 over 99? The way of doing this is actually allocating a letter to this value. So we're going to say, in this case, let f for fraction equal 0.73 recurring. Notice they're both recurring. So if 1f is 0.73 recurring, 100 lots of f would equal 73.73, 73, and so on. The point of doing this is trying to eradicate the decimal completely. I'm trying to get an integer on this side here. Now, to get rid of that decimal, all I do is take away the value of 1f. So if I have 100f and take away 1f, I'm left with 99 lots of f. If I have 73.73 recurring minus 0.73 recurring, I'm left with 73. So now the value of f is equal to 73 over 99, just by dividing both sides by 99. So that's why 0.73 recurring is equal to 73 over 99. So in this second question here, we're going to change 0.2 to 2 over 9. We use the same process. We're going to let f, the fraction, equal 0.2 recurring. Now this time, we don't multiply by 100. We can, but we don't need to. We're going to multiply by 10. So we're going to say, well, if 1f is 0.2, 10 lots of f is 2.2 recurring. The reason for only needing to multiply by 10 is I know that 2.2 recurring minus 0.2 recurring will give me an integer. So then take away 1f from this side, I'm left with 9 lots of f, and that leaves me with 2, because 2.2 minus 0.2 is 2. Divide both sides by 9, therefore f is equal to 2 over 9. We've now changed that recurring decimal into this fraction. So to finish off, the key thing is you are aiming to get rid of the decimals. As always, if you've got something out of this, please like and subscribe.